Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Blade A32, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not responding. So if you have damaged your screen and after broken in your screen is not responding, so I can't help you, unfortunately. Close this video and search another one, or just get it back to the customer service, because if you damage screen or your smartphone was with contact in the water, it's the physical damage. I can help you only if you have a problem with the software. So to fix software screen is not responding problem, you just need to press and hold power button during 10 seconds. So press it and hold. After you will see ZTE logo, you can release power button. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.